Assalamualaikum Parazur.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Sajil Ahmed, and my question is that is it okay if a waqfe goes into business as a career?
Are you okay now?
Yes.
You have devoted your life for the cause of Jamaat. If Jamaat says that you are not required with your present education in Jamaat's regular service, then you can do it. Otherwise, your first option should be to work as a regular employee of the Jamaat. That should be the first desire of a waqfe and first choice and option of the waqfe. Okay? And after that, if they say no, okay, you do your business, you can do whatever you like. And even in that business, you should always keep in mind that you are a waqfe and your foremost duty is to spread the message of Islam and Ahmadiyyat. And wherever you are working, whichever business you are in, you should try to spread the message of Islam, and the teaching of Islam should be portrayed in your every deed and action.
ٹھیک
Right?
ہے.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah.